Mr. Lapang is the greatest personality, was in the public life. It is a very big loss to the public life as well as to the Meghalaya. Not only to Meghalaya, for the entire northern east. Since yesterday, I used to hear from the public and rest of the others, dignitaries, he earned highest respect in the public life. Highest respect. People have got highest regards, which I never been heard in the public life. A great man, a great soul. And after I come here, I came to that already is running 96 years of age, and his missus is running 91. My God, 96 in the sense another 4 years, if at all God would have graced them. Full life, 100 years of life. Really, I have got a lot of respect for Lapang. Now after I come here, really I feel very bad. Little earlier I was supposed to come here when he was alive. I was to pay my respect to him. We have to show some regards. That mistake we have done. That mistake we never do it in case of his family, that his wife. Because of the name they have earned, because of the service they have been rendered in the public life, that to 5 times Chief Minister of Meghalaya. No ego, no ego, a egoless personality. Respect everybody, love everybody. Down to earth man, down to earth man. Really, I have been requested his son, so bring Mrs. of Lapang to Raj Bhavan after 1 month of time. Whatever respect, whatever honor we were supposed to give it to Mr. Lapang during his lifetime, that we decide to give it to his family. So accordingly, I have been requested him after 1 month of time, after completing all the formalities here afterwards, we have been requested, bring his missus and you, all of you family members, you come. Definitely we decide to honor this family on behalf of Raj Bhavan. I pay my respect to the great soul. Let it rest in the peace. Namaskar.